Dear shareholders, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to deliver the keynote address of LIC Nepal Limited to all shareholders present here. On behalf of the entire LIC family, I extend my greetings to you all and a warm welcome to the 18th Annual General Meeting of Life Insurance Corporation Nepal Limited being conducted online. I strongly believe that LIC Nepal Limited enjoys a robust foundation in Nepalese insurance industry. We have demonstrated our capabilities across products, customer services and markets. LIC Nepal Limited intends to continue to leverage this solid platform to achieve its aspirations and deliver value to all our stakeholders. The confidence reposed by you, the shareholders, has been a considerable source of strength for us. Over the last 18 years, your board has also focused its efforts on fulfilling the trust reposed by the shareholders, customers, stakeholders, etc. The year 2075-76 witnessed the company showing all-round growth in various financial parameters. I wish to share with you that we could deliver as per our commitments despite a background of continuing market volatility in the year 2075-76. It is my pleasure to report to you that LIC Nepal Limited has been able to collect Nepali rupees 4,228.35 million as first premium income by selling 1,89,320 policies in the financial year 2075-76. In terms of first premium collected and policies sold, the company showed a growth of 46.36% and 42.09% respectively. Our market share in Nepal is 13.76% in first premium income in respect of regular new business, and our new business persistency ratio remained at 99.96%. As at the end of Ashad 2076, we are servicing 7,35,745 policies. Due to favorable political and economic situation of Nepal, we were looking forward to have better growth in new business performance of the company during the financial year 2076-77 too, but the spread of COVID-19 has impacted the business of the company during the last 6 months of that fiscal year. Similarly, in the year 2075-76, life fund of the company has grown to new heights of Nepali rupees 53,837.31 million. There has been a growth of 27.48% in life fund, while the total investments have increased by 23.65% in the year. The income from investments has risen by 21.92% in the last fiscal year. All the funds have been invested in Nepal as per the guidelines set by Insurance Board, that is Bima Samiti of Nepal, and efforts are being made to get the maximum advantage of higher returns on investments from the market in order to maximize the benefits to our esteemed customers. The company's actuarial valuation for 2075-76, that is from Shravan 1 2075 to Ashad end 2076, has been approved. After the valuation, the company has shown a net profit of Nepali rupees 310.3 million under shareholders' account. The Board of Directors has proposed 10.53% of existing paid-up capital as dividend out of this profit, and the same will be apportioned towards bonus share of 10% and 0.53% cash dividend for adjustment against tax liabilities on dividend declared to our valued shareholders. The board has also proposed to increase the authorized capital, issued capital and paid-up capital of the company to Nepali rupees 2211 million. Again, the company has set benchmarks for excellent servicing standards in the industry by achieving zero outstanding in settlement of survival benefit and death claims. The fact that 99% of these claims have been settled before the due date adds more shine to this achievement. Altogether, the company has paid over Nepali rupees 3,399.94 million as claim payments in the last fiscal. As on date, the company delivers its products and services through 61 outlets manned by 200 full-time employees across the entire nation. This year too, we hope to increase our presence even in farthest areas of the country, keeping financial viability in mind. The company has strong field force of total 42,496 agents across the nation for procuring new business and extending after-sales services. The crowning glory of all this has been the ISO 9001:2015 certification received by the company, making it the first life insurance company in Nepal since 2068, and the same is renewed this year too, vindicating the mark of the international standards being maintained and the continuation of professionalism in our sales as well as service operations. I am further happy to inform you that by leveraging information technology, LIC Nepal Limited is providing easy and quick service to our valued customers. I interpret the positive performance of our share price also as a strong vote of confidence in our company. I am happy to share with you that your company has been honored with the title of Best Brand Leadership Awards 2019 in Kathmandu. Detailed review of the company's performances is placed separately in the report of the Board of Directors. At the end, on behalf of the Board, I place on record its gratitude to the shareholders and customers for their continued support, patronage and goodwill. Similarly, I would like to thank and express our sincere appreciation to the Honorable Government of Nepal, Ministry of Finance, Nepal Rashtra Bank, Insurance Board, Office of the Company Registrar, Securities Board of Nepal, Nepal Stock Exchange Limited, CDS and Clearing Limited, and all the other departments of the government for the help, guidance and encouragement given to the company from time to time. Our actuary, auditors, both statutory and internal, and other business associates also deserve our appreciation for supporting and guiding the company. Members of the board have been a source of strength through their continuous monitoring and guidance to the company, and I would like to thank them. Before closing my remarks, I would like to extend my sincere appreciation for the dedicated services rendered by the present team of employees and field force at all levels. Ladies and gentlemen, I once again extend a warm welcome to you all. Thank you very much for your time and attention.